Sawubona Ntokazi kunjani?
Ngikhona unjani wena?
Yeah ngikhona. Ukhuluma ke lapha nomshovu enkani kwaba nenkani indlaba ephika kaMambatha zebesula amadevana. Insizwa nje yale kwaZulu Natal umthandeni SK. Ngibingelela ababukeli emakhaya.
Well, thank you so much for acknowledging you and obviously who you're walking alongside. And now you're here and you're performing. But I think before we trying to understand everything, let's go back. Let's look at your journey, how it all started, and even just tapping into like the different genres. What's that journey been like for you?
Yeah, bekuyisifiso sami sukela ngimncane ukuthi uma ngikhula ngumaskandi ngwenza ube nestyle, yabo ube nestyle, then that's why ngifeature ama piano uLwandle Nkulu uMahu ngeGushi. So inhloso ukuthi umaskandi uphakame, then manje maskandi uyadlala lompompo overseas everywhere you go. Maskandi mthandeni SK, Paris, they are playing Paris and Gushi, you understand? So it's huge.
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
it is. And it's so important because it's our identity, right? It's part of South Africa's identity, and now it's asserting that you're the king of Maskandi in SA. So even getting to the top of that, what's that journey been like to you, to your family, to your community, to the audience as well?
No, abantu bangithandile bangijabulele kakhulu. Abantu bangithanda. Uyabona nje manje ngizoperforma kwi-Uhuru lapha kwi-Uhuru ntambama. Ngiyazi ukuthi uCrowd ungilindele abantu abasha. Mangingena makuthiwa nje mthandeni boom. Uzobona na ukuthi kwenzakalani bese ngiqhamuka ngithi sigada umzila la sidle aphula ngomese bese ngithi Paris bese ngithi Gucci lapho zobe sifaka amabheshu insizwa, then mina ngizobe ngidla umswenko ngoba phela umaskandi ngofaka istayela waba ngowasewulisi.
Yeah, and I mean, because it's been received so well, and you're going to be performing at Basha Uhuru this year. But when we're looking at what freedom means to you, because Basha Uhuru means, you know, freedom of sound. It's about expression. It's about that freedom. It's Heritage Month. It's about identity. What does it mean for you as well?
Mina ngiyangijabulisa kakhulu because umaskandi mningi and banamatalente ahlukahlukene. Kodwa ukuthi bechoose mina njengomthandeni SK, lokho kusho likhulu mina nokuthi i-brand iyakhula kakhulu. So nje ngihappy, ngiyathoba kakhulu, ngiyabonga Uhuru.
I mean, it's just going to keep flying and keep growing. But in that growth, there's also challenges. What would have been the biggest challenge for you then?
Yeah, abekhona ama-challenges, but ama-challenges impilo yendoda yabona, it's a life, ne? So you can't avoid it. You understand? Ufanele uqhubeke nalokho uNkulunkulu akuphe khona. So akhona ama-challenges but ngiyawa-ignore.
Well, you're still standing and you're rising even further. So yes, it is a part of life, and it makes us stronger even, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. I wanted to touch on something that you mentioned earlier on. Yes, you have become the king of Maskandi. So you've grown and you've obviously performed and your audience love you. So how important is collaboration? How important is it also to work with so many other people, you know, in the industry, other artists that you look up to as well? How's that made you richer as well?
No, ngicabanga ukuthi into ebalekile kuphela ukuhloniphana, ukuhlonipha umsebenzi wakho nokuthanda umsebenzi wakho. Lokho kwenza ukuthi i-brand yakho ibe nesithunzi, isinde, then bese uyakwazi ukuthi ke nabanye abantu uma bezosebenza nawe bazi ukuthi bazogaina more followers, uyabona. So ukuthanda umsebenzi wami nje kwenza ukuthi zonke izinto ihambe kahle.
Yeah. And people, you can't fake that to people. People know, and they trust you. They believe in you after you put in all that work, because it's so much sacrifices as well.
Exactly, because I'm genuine. Yabona namanje ngikhuluma isiZulu nje ngiqondile, ngiyinsizwa. Then bayezwa abantu emakhaya. So kubalekile lokho because ngisho Ronaldo ngisho Messi khuluma ulimi lwakhe. Yabo ngifaka umqhele nje. Uyabona uyazi ukuthi kunoshaka ilembe, uyabo? So kufanele ngibe umZulu, ngime nje kube nomZulu, ngingalokho ngifaka iPice. Then siyazwana kakhulu, kuyangijabulisa lokho ukuthi namhlanje ngikuleli izinga ngoba uZulu bami noma ngokuba insizwa yasemakhaya ngiyayiqhenya kakhulu, and ngiyabonga nokuthi ngithola ithuba nisinikeza ithuba endaweni kanje, kusho ukuthi ngempela uZulu powerful.
Yeah. It's identity, it's pride, it's flying that flag for your people and for our country as well. Okay, so we're getting closer to December. This is where great things happen for artists and exciting projects. So what are you working on from here to?
Yeah, njoba kuza nje uDecember, kuza vele singena kwisama manje ngithi.
Yeah, exactly.
Vele iyeza ingoba album entsha kamthandeni SK, and it's amazing, ne? So ngizowenza ama feature from kwamanye ama-genre and
Okay.
then ngiphethe hit vele bayazi uyabona ukuthi 2023 bengiphethe Paris, 2024 it was a Gucci. So this year we don't know.
But
Yabo?
what's the feeling? What's
Yabo.
the message you want to give out to? Are you still figuring that out?
No, i-message engayiphana nje ukuthi ngicela nazi ukuthi uMaskandi njengamanje useyintweni ungenile and uMaskandi unesitayela and uMaskandi ungakwazi ukujabula kuMaskandi. So simema bonke abantu ukuthi abathande uMaskandi. uMaskandi une vibe right now ne. Une vibe, so ufuna ukujabula nje waza uMaskandi ustreame more izingoma zikaMaskandi, especially Mthandeni SK.
Yes, yes. Okay, so hopefully they're listening and they heed that call as well. And we're also wishing you all the best of luck. I just want to look at, if there's other artists that you want to collaborate, maybe on the continent, because we're not just limited to our own country now. Is there any projects on the works on that front? Because the world's now one big stage, right? And the world is watching South Africa and our music.
What? Awungiphindele sisi?
I was saying, so you've got artists like Tyler, Nasty C, you've got Judas Apuma has not just returned from the world stage. So in every genre, there are people that are flying the flag high.
Yes.
And they're collaborating with other African artists on the continent, in Nigeria, Ghana, etc.
Yes.
So, I mean, because of your impact and how people love your work, is there anything that you want to look at on that front, work with other people?
Ngiyacabanga phela kakhulu. Ngiyacabanga kodwa angikho sure lapha eNigeria yabo. Mhlambe ngiyacabanga kodwa ukuthi ngifeature iartist eliqhamuka maybe overseas.
Okay.
Because in Nigeria ngikholwa ukuthi iAfrica song. So njengamanje sifuna ukuthi uMaskandi ungene overseas ube original. Yabo ngoba sibhinca imvunulo kanjena. Sibhinca imvunulo, sicupha isisoka, sigqoka kahle kanjena. Siwuzulu oyithandayo. Kufanele wonke amazwe asazi, uyabona.
Okay.
So iphupho lami ukuthi asicwale wonke umhlaba singuMaskandi singabantu bakwaZulu ziyakhala manje.
Okay. So you're going to think about it. Let us know. We'll continue to monitor. Tell us on social media how we contact you. And just because you mentioned, obviously now you're going to be at Basha Uhuru today. So what can people expect? Are you going to take some suggestions from them as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Mawufuna komthandeni uma umsearcha lapha ku Instagram Mthandeni _SA.
Okay.
Mthandeni SK on Facebook, on Twitter also Mthandeni SK. Then kona wonke ama social media. Then Mthandeni SK brand is Mthandeni SK.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. And then we're obviously looking forward to the performance at Basha Uhuru
Thank you
later
very
today.
much.
All the best. Ngiyabonga. Okay, Mthandeni SK.
Yeah.
King of Maskandi, chatting us about his journey and also, of course, that upcoming performance that's happening at Basha Uhuru today. He's obviously flying the flag for his culture and for South Africa during this Heritage Month. So we'll leave that conversation there and be right back after this. Stay tuned.
Siyabonga.